In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash in block fruits on Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's not a specific dash button here on a controller. To dash, essentially what you need to do is just use your left analog stick. And it's a little bit weird, but essentially while you are moving, what you need to do is just flick the stick forward, specifically that left analog stick forward, just like so, and your character will dash. Now it does have to be in a pretty quick motion, just like so, not just holding the stick down. And each dash is going to use a little bit of energy for you. As you can see, if I consistently keep dashing like this, it's going to use a decent amount of my energy, and then it's going to force stop me. So obviously make sure that you're looking at your energy while you're doing this, but you just got to keep flicking that left stick while moving to dash consistently. That's really all you have to do. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.